Sick of pouring money into performance marketing with lackluster results? You're not alone. What if I told you there are 3 powerful marketing strategies you're likely overlooking that could skyrocket your growth? Stay tuned because this video is about to change your entire marketing game. Hey everyone, if you're ready to ditch the performance marketing hamster wheel and explore untapped marketing goldmines, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into 3 proven strategies that often get ignored but they're seriously effective. Whether you're struggling to get traction or just want to diversify your approach, these tactics could be the secret weapon your business needs. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new playbook for reaching your audience and boosting those conversions. Omnichannel marketing, the power of seamless integration. Most businesses are familiar with multi-channel marketing, which involves using various platforms, like social media, email, and websites, to reach customers. However, omnichannel marketing takes this a step further by creating a seamless and integrated experience across all channels. Imagine this scenario: a potential customer is scrolling through LinkedIn when your ad catches their eye. They click through to your landing page, but something doesn't quite resonate, and they leave without filling out the form. Later, they're watching videos on YouTube and see your ad again. This time, they ignore it. A similar thing happens on Instagram. However, after seeing your brand across multiple platforms, their curiosity is piqued. They decide to search for your company on Google and see your ad once more. Now, they're familiar with your brand and click on the search ad, finally filling out the form on your landing page. This customer's journey is a perfect example of the power of omnichannel marketing. By consistently showing up across different platforms, you build brand awareness and stay top of mind for potential customers. Even if they don't convert right away, repeated exposure can eventually lead to a conversion. While an omnichannel strategy might require a larger budget than focusing on a single channel, the increased brand visibility and higher conversion rates can significantly boost your top-line revenue. It's an investment worth considering for businesses looking to accelerate growth. We have discussed steps to be taken if performance marketing is not working. Please find a video in the description. If you want to be notified when a video is published, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Marketing automation, nurture leads, build relationships using lead magnet or webinar. For businesses selling tech products, courses, or SaaS solutions, generating conversions or sales through performance marketing alone can be challenging. This is where marketing automation comes in. By using tools like email marketing, businesses can nurture leads and build relationships over time. The key is to offer valuable content that attracts potential customers. This could be a lead magnet, like a free ebook, template, or checklist, or a webinar that showcases your expertise. The specific type of lead magnet will vary depending on your business. For example, a SaaS business might offer a product demo or free trial, while an IT company could create a white paper on a relevant industry topic. Influencer marketing, think micro, not just macro. There's a common misconception that influencer marketing requires a massive budget, but this simply isn't true. While partnering with celebrity influencers can be expensive, there's a growing trend of working with micro and nano influencers, those with smaller but highly engaged followings. These influencers often have a strong connection with their audience and can be very effective at promoting products or services. The key is to find influencers whose values align with your brand and who have followers that match your target audience. Did you love this insight? Please hit the like button to get this kind of valuable content in your feed. Key takeaways. Omnichannel marketing, reach your audience consistently across multiple channels to build awareness and drive conversions. Marketing automation, nurture leads and build relationships through valuable content and email marketing. Influencer marketing, tap into the power of micro and nano influencers for authentic endorsements and increased reach. Have questions or want to share your experiences? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising!